Agonal breathing or gasping is an abnormal pattern of breathing that most often occurs when a person is in cardiac arrest. Agonal breathing is irregular, lasting from a few seconds to minutes. Gasping may be present in up to 40% of victims in the first minutes after cardiac arrest. It is important to remember that agonal breathing is not sufficient in delivering oxygen to the body. Gasping is a sign of cardiac arrest and is not considered breathing. Call emergency ambulance 995 if I have not done so. Ensure adequate exposure to the chest and start chest compression over central of chest, lower half of sternum.